Hello, dear children, good morning. All of you, open your fifth chapter. Open your textbooks, children. In your textbooks, come to the fifth chapter, the worthy successor. Right? I am going to give you the project work, and you have to do it within 5 days. And you have to submit that project work to your Chaya ma'am, okay? See, children, all of you turn your pages. Turn your pages. Come to assessment of speaking and listening. Okay. In this, you have speaking on a topic, right? Speaking on a topic, right? See, your school is organizing a road safety event. As part of this event, you have been asked to talk at the school assembly. Talk about 5 important rules to follow in order to ensure safety for motorists and pedestrians. You may take help of these pictures clues to plan and prepare your talk. Here is given some pictures who are crossing the roads and who are in driving. So see here, by using these pictures clues you can plan how to talk, but here you are not going to speak on the topic, you are going to write on this topic. Okay, you have to write you have to write your speech on this topic, okay, about a road safety event. See here, you should start in this way. You may begin like this. Good morning, friends. I thank the principal and my teachers for giving me this opportunity to thank you to talk to you this morning. As we all know, our school is organizing a road safety event. It is important for us to be conscious about traffic rules. We have little control over road accidents, but some accidents happen because we are careless. We can avoid them if we follow a few traffic rules. First of all, we must all follow the traffic signal. We must also remember to keep to the left when we are riding a bike or driving a car. We should avoid overtaking from the left. We must. Okay, in this way you have to begin your topic on road safety. Okay, you do it, children, and see next one. Write a story using the pictures and the hints. So you have to write a story. Here are some pictures given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have given 8 pictures here, and you have to write a story on this, and they have given some hints to you. See, boy in the park playing hide and seek, hidden in a bush, sound of footsteps, mean looking man and woman. Woman has a brown bag. Boy is scared, as quiet as a mouse. Man stuffs the bag under the bush, hurries away. Boy waits a moment, creeps out, pulls out the bag, opens bag full of jewels. Police station, reward. Okay, children. So by using these hints and these pictures, you have to write a story, and the title of the story should be The Stolen Bag, and this story should not exceed 100 words. Okay, do it, children. So this is your project work. Firstly, you have to write on a topic road safety event, and next one you have to write a story, the stolen bag, using these pictures and hints. So do it in 5 days and submit it to you, Chaya ma'am. Bye children. Thank you.